Stop hating on your future employers. These people are going to hire you. They are the most polite people. Even when they are educated, they still work for small jobs that pay nothing. They don't have pride. They know that you have to work to serve and feed your families. That's why they are here. One day, like it almost happened in Cuba when Obama wanted to lift the embargo against Cuba, one day it is going to happen. I pray to the ancestors of the revolution that it happens when I'm still alive, so that I can replay these videos and say, I warned you about harassing your future employers. I warned you about exploiting the people who are going to share their land with you because they've done it before. Why didn't Mugabe take the land immediately? He waited for you to get your freedom. Because had Mugabe take the land immediately, it would have caused a serious problem to a point where South Africa will not be liberated. They were a frontline state. They gave us a passage. They accommodated us. We stayed in their homes. They gave us food. They gave us shelter. They never called us names. Today it's our turn to say thank you. We become animals. It is not the spirit of Ubuntu what you are doing to these comrades of Zimbabwe. Comrades, the white people, the way they control us, we love them and we say they give us jobs. But the way they've made us to hate each other, even if a Nigerian was to come.
President EFF iphethe yazi la South Africa uzahlala loku regret amoyengcwele. Kanti uphethe yiphi umalima manje masathi we will work for this people. Kanti umalima uphethe yiphi? I don't understand yini engenela umalima, and at some point bese ngi-understand lento yakhe ukuthi they need to document these people because it's every day. But it seems like what people are saying is true, and it seems like we need to follow this story. This thing open borders, it won't work because this open borders they will open for everyone, but abantu bazoza on endaweni one. Only one country will be affected by this open borders, and unfortunately for us, it is South Africa. Kanti umalima ungenwele yini? So umalima in his mind he really thinks ukuthi one of the good days or one of the bad days la kule South Africa yethu le abokhokho bethu bayilwela kanzima kuzophatha umuntu a Nigerian guy, and in his good mind ucabanga ukuthi a Nigerian guy uzothi masaphethe aphatha ama South Africans kahle then angavumeli amanye ama Nigeria as kanti umalima ungenelele yini moyengcwela ngaze nga regret ngimncane kangaka kanti umalima ipresident yenu ingene yini ungenele yini umalima. I just hope this is AI, guys. I just hope and pray this is AI. But the way I don't think Umalima will get vote this year. Even a student I'm voting like, I don't think Umalima will get vote this year because if we reverse things or we go back to early this year, a lot of students they were not accepted, especially kule college set down. But abantu who were accepted, abantwana bangaphandle who are undocumented. While South African students or South African kids, they were not accepted ekolweni. So yinto umalima emchazayo leyo. Can this person was not fighting for a free education? Can my free education bakabala free education for the whole world or free education for all Africans? No malima ngazodlala ngathi. And malima doesn't know the struggle of uhlala nama foreigners elokishini. Akazohlala elokishini malima usukele esishikho le eLimpopo. eLimpopo they are not a lot of foreigners, and if they are there they are behaving angithi kusemakhaya bese wazohlala etown esentini. He doesn't know the real struggle umuntu ohlala elokishini. He doesn't know the fear yabantu abahlala elokishini nabantwana abahlala elokishini. That is why akhuluma kanje. That is why actor kanje. I don't think ukuthi ucabanga kahle malima, no. He really needs help, or he really needs to step down. If he loves the EFF and he believes that EFF is so cool, he really needs to step down because what he's saying now and what he's doing, ubulala that into. But I will vote for EFF umalima mara khuluma kanje. yo umalima mara kanti umalima uphethe yiphi moya engcwele. I have never been so disappointed in someone. And it shows ukuthi umalima inhliziyo yakhe ibheke kubantu bangaphandle more than ama-South Africans. Uthi makuhamba ama-white kungena ama-Nigerians, especially ama-Nigerians, because if you listen to inkinga zabantu baselokishini bakhala ngama-Nigerians more than abanye abantu abuye kwamanye ama-country. I've never, if we go back to the apartheid eras, abantu bangabhema ama-drugs like i-South Africa babhema ama-drugs ngakhona. And let's just face the truth, as much as sithi akusama-Nigerians kuphela athengisa ama-drugs, but majority of abantu abathengisa ama-drugs ama-Nigerians, we know. Ngaze ngaba disappointed, but that is all for now. Word of the day, when we vote this year, vote wisely, and when you vote ubuye ucabangele the future generation of your family. That is all I will say. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.